How's everybody doing today? Sam here with House of Blades, and just wanted to go over a little, overview of our sharpening services that we provide and how we sharpen customers' pocket knives. We've got the updated House of Blades sharpening system here. All of our attachments, fixtures, everything are made at the machine shop. This one's an upgrade over the previous model, whereas on the previous model you had to take the belt off and then put the leather on. This one is two-sided, so you've got your abrasive on one side and your strap on the other, so you can just take your clamp with your knife off of one and go straight to the other whenever you're done. Really saves a lot of time. Alrighty, now that I've got my PPE, I'm going to show you how to sharpen a knife. Alrighty, so now that I've got my knife clamped, I've got my angles to choose from. I'm going to go, what we call a 2 is about 20 to 25 degrees, which is good for most pocket knives. You know, maybe for kitchen, I'd bump it up to a 3, maybe 25 to 30 degrees. But yeah, most pocket knives we're going to do here on a 2, and we'll start at the heel and kind of work our way up towards the tip. Be careful not to pull up too much and really dig that tip in there. You want to go just enough to follow along with that edge. And what you're going to look for is a little thin white line on the edge, on the opposite side from that you're sharpening, and that's called a burr. And once you've built that burr up, you know that you're all good and you can go ahead and go to that other side. So we're just going to flip that clamp around, find my angle right down here. Alrighty, and I've got my burr. So now I like to look at the back of the tip right here and see if it's even, if I've gotten a little off. So it's a little bit wider on this side than it is on this side. So I'm just going to hit that first side with another pass to even everything out. Alright, and that's what you want to look for, a nice triangle, nice even triangle on the back of the tip, and we've got that going here. So now I'm going to move on to the leather for the deburring process. So we'll get our same angle matched over here, and we will start on the side opposite from the burr. So I left off on sharpening this side. I've got my burr on this side of the blade. I'm going to flip it around and start on the side opposite from the burr to knock that burr off. And you can kind of watch the burr pop off. Get that one side, and then we'll flip it. We're almost there. And this is also, I've got some rouge on here, some compound, so this is going to polish that edge at the same time as it removes the burr. And then for this serrated knife, these serrations are good. If they need to be done, we can touch them up on the leather. If they need any further sharpening past the leather, we've got ceramic rods that do the serrations very, very well. But once I've got my blade or my edge polished and deburred, I like to check it with my thumb just because I've been doing this for a little while. I can feel when an edge is sharp versus dull. And so once I'm feeling okay, yeah, that's sharp, I look here to check, put it up against, you know, a light background, make sure I've got a nice even tip, a nice even bevel on both sides. I'm going to come over here to my paper, cleanly slices the paper. That's what you're looking for. Alrighty, that's how we sharpen knives here at House of Blades. If you guys are in need of sharpening services, come see us in Fort Worth, Texas. We can get you taken care of.